how to convert WhatsApp conversations to PDF. So if you want to convert WhatsApp conversations to PDF, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to go with the chat. Like for example, I'll go with this one. And after that, you need to go with the three dots, which will be on the top right, and then go with more option. And from more, you will have export chat. You need to go with export chat. And once you've selected export chat, you can just simply go and save your WhatsApp chat wherever you like. So I'll just simply go with WhatsApp right here and then go and send to a person. Go with send, which will be right here, and then go with the arrow, which will be on the bottom, and it has been sent. Now, once it has been sent, you can open up your Files app or your file manager on your Android device and navigate to the folder where you saved the chat. It will be in the format that you wanted. But if it is in the zip format, then you can just simply go and convert that file to a PDF. You can just simply tap on it and then open it as a file manager, open with the file manager or Files by Google, and then convert it to the PDF. So that's how you can convert WhatsApp conversations to PDF. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.